When it comes to RV repair and upgrades, many RV owners wonder, can I fix my RV myself? Hello, I'm Stephen Holmes, Director of Service Operations for CrossRoads RV. We know your time is valuable, and we understand the costs associated with bringing your travel trailer or your fifth wheel to your dealership for repairs. That's why, as a manufacturer, we're sharing our knowledge with you in a series of DIY RV videos for those of you that might want to tackle the simple stuff yourself. Remember, always use caution, and if at any time you are uncomfortable, please stop what you're doing and schedule an appointment with your authorized dealership. Even more importantly, never work on any safety-related items.
I'm Charles Briggs, and today we will show you how to change your compartment door locks and latches. Over time, compartment door locks can wear or stiffen up, making it difficult to access your outside storage compartments. Tools for this job are a screw gun with a number 2 Phillips bit, a crescent wrench, a tape measure, and a compartment door locker latch. The compartment door locker latch is made up of 2 key components, the cam and the locking arm. To ensure that you order the correct replacement lock, you will first remove the old lock and gather 3 important measurements. Here's how we do this. On the back side of the latch, you will find a screw that holds the mechanism in place. With your Phillips screw bit, go ahead and remove the screw and the locking arm. Next, use a crescent wrench to remove the nut from the cam of the door lock. Once the nut is removed, the cam can be easily removed from the door assembly. Now let's get our measurements. First, measure the length of the cam. This measurement is taken from where the locking arm rests in place to the inside lip of the cam. Next, measure the length of the locking arm from end to end. Finally, let's measure the offset, or bend of the locking arm. It is important to have these measurements when ordering the replacement part to avoid a situation where the new lock does not engage properly. Now we are ready to install our new lock. First, make sure the key lock is turned to the on lock position. Insert the cam into the door and install the cam lock nut. Next, place your locking arm in the direction of on lock and add the screw to hold it in place. If you have an idea for a DIY video you would like to see, please let us know. Remember, we're always here to help, and thanks for watching.